going to give you a little update on Kraken. Mount table there. Refrigerator. Freezer. These, you click right there to release this side of it. There's a prototype panel system that I'm working on. So this, it's got fabric behind it and it can easily be changed. I can take this whole panel off. The screws are hidden. I can take the whole panel off, put it on my bench, change the fabric, and I'm going to just use that for a couple of weeks just to see how it holds up and how I like it. But I wanted to come up with a system that I'd be able to build on the bench and then move to the van and keep building with it, so I don't have to necessarily try to build it on the van itself. So this is a lot lighter than plywood. There's no plywood on the walls, as you can see. I've done hard board foam insulation, and I got a little bit more to go up in here, but basically this is just a kind of like a wallpaper, I suppose. It's a slat system. It's got the fabric, so I don't necessarily, what I don't want to do is build out from the wall, because I'm really running low on space for my bed. And so anything that I did that would kind of bring it out further, I'm just losing sleeping space. I'm going to try to avoid the flares, the bed flares. But if I can't live with sleeping diagonal, then there's a whole fiberglass insert that goes in this section on both sides that allows for a full-size mattress. So this side's still untouched. So down in the galley, I have a special compartment for the coffee pot. It can be used in position. I don't have to move it, but it will come up here. Everything's hooked up. I have my toaster oven, and it's got a dedicated spot. This drawer up here has a power strip and holds all my cords. The cabinets are still prototype. I mean, the framing structure on the inside, I feel like I can probably use, but the countertop, I'm definitely going to be changing to a thicker butcher block. I just wanted to get something inexpensive to use in the meantime. I've got a work show this weekend, largest cannabis festival in the country, in Orlando, and I need to get the van usable so we can go to the show. So I'll go ahead and button up my cabinets. Let's show you how this works. Pretty happy with the way this turned out. Took some work to figure out how to use the hinges and whatnot, but I could certainly use a little bit better cushion. But for now, that's what I got.